Here's how to set up secure client messaging in Clio Manage, step by step. Start by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Communications. This opens the area where client-facing communication tools are managed, including portal access for secure exchanges tied to a matter. Inside Communications, find the Client Portal section. Under that area, click New Client Portal. This starts the setup for a dedicated portal that you and your client can use to exchange information in one protected space. If you already have other portals listed here, make sure you are creating a new one rather than opening an existing portal by mistake. The next screen will ask you to select the matter you want to use for the client portal. Choose the correct matter from your list. This matters because the portal is connected to that record, and the messages and shared items inside the portal will relate to that specific matter. Take a moment here to confirm you are selecting the right one before moving forward, especially if you have several matters with similar names. After you choose the matter, select the participants who should have access to the portal. You can choose one or more participants depending on who needs to be included. This can include users from your firm or contacts connected to the matter. The key here is to add only the people who should be able to view and take part in the communication inside that portal. Review the participant list carefully so that access matches the matter you selected. When the matter and participants are set, click Create Client Portal. Clio Manage will create the portal and link it to the matter you chose. Once it is created, the portal becomes the secure location for ongoing communication and shared items with the selected participants. From there, use the client portal to securely share messages, documents, bills, and calendar events with your clients. Messages can be kept in one place alongside the matter, and documents can be shared through the portal rather than through less secure channels. Bills can also be made available there, along with calendar events that help keep everyone aligned on important dates related to the matter. Because the portal is tied to the participants you selected, the people with access can view the information meant for that shared workspace. If you need to verify what was set up, return to the communications area and review the portal you created. This helps confirm that the correct matter is connected and that the intended participants have access before you begin using it for ongoing client communication. Your secure client portal is now set up in Clio Manage and ready to share messages, documents, bills, and calendar events with your clients.